We study how slow deterioration of soil caused by climate change affects internal migration and household resettlement. The profound relationship between migration and the environment is not a new phenomenon, but the acceleration of climate change introduces more complexity to this relationship. Gradual environmental change, slow onset and sudden onset natural disasters influence population migration decisions and patterns. Even though sudden onset natural disasters are more likely to induce mass displacement, still a large share of people is estimated to migrate because of a gradual degradation of the environment and a depletion of resources. Our study focuses on a slow onset process which affects productivity and the decision to migrate internally. This fills a gap in the existing literature that considers mainly fast shocks and international migration due to the difficulty in measuring the slow onset land degradation. Rural households are expected to move when they face worsening soil conditions, as soil degradation is detrimental for agricultural productivity. The other possibility is that they can get stuck in a poverty trap. We study if soil quality and soil degradation affects people's decision to migrate, and we focus our study on Malawi, a country in sub-Saharan Africa, which relies highly on agriculture and that has been affected strongly by land degradation. We use the Integrated Household Survey in Malawi for the years 2010-2016. We construct measures of migration and we use household characteristics like age, sex, education of household head, household size, and dummy or rural or urban areas. For soil quality, we use the data of the Harmonized World Soil Dataset, where we create a variable about nutrient availability for the soil of the plots of the farmers, while for climate change, we use a standardized precipitation index. We estimate our main specification by using a pooled OLS model. We cluster the error term at the household level and we tackle omitted variable bias by adopting an instrumental variable approach. Soil depletion is not a random process, and to account for its endogeneity, we instrument soil degradation by using distant climate shocks and controlling for recent weather conditions. We find that severe soil nutrient constraints push households to send their members away. The underlying mechanism is that soil degradation is harmful for agricultural productivity and therefore food security, which incentivizes households to seek for better opportunities through pushing their members to migrate. To conclude, soil degradation plays an increasingly important role for the present and future of agriculture, given the prospect of global warming and for household decisions regarding migration.